Today we are gonna be cooking some delicious food. This is take 2 and I sewed your face again. Anyways, we are gonna be making a sandwich. I have no idea what to do for this intro. I am just gonna... And that's off the intro. Okay, we are gonna make a sandwich like the dumb intro we just did, and we are gonna have some help from Jen. I'm gonna try my best to not sew her face.
Okay, we have mayonnaise, pickles, cheese, butter.
Some cream cheese. That's probably... I don't know if it's gone bad.
There's tater tots.
We're gonna be making a sandwich.
I don't know, I'm just... Cheese? You want a cheese sandwich?
What kind of cheese?
White cheese?
You mean American?
Yes. Take the cheese from the green thing. I think that's gonna be...
Oh!
Rud.
At least you didn't curse.
I don't need this.
Oh god.
Maybe put the... Do you want mayonnaise or butter?
Neither.
You just want cheese? Okay. You want me to hold the camera while you make the sandwich?
No. You hold the camera in pretty much all of my videos. I want to have the time to sign and holding
Okay.
the camera.
Here's the cheese.
Okay.
You can get 2 slices.
We are not done.
Are we putting this in the microwave or something?
No.
What are you getting?
Okay. So I got mustard or ketchup.
I would get mustard.
I don't know if I did before. I don't even... is this ketchup? Yeah, that's ketchup. Sorry guys, I fell. Okay. Oh god. Okay, now you can hold the camera.
Okay.
I am not gonna put too much ketchup on.
Yeah.
Wait, I have to shake it first. Okay. Was that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't put too much ketchup on.
I won't. That's good.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah. I would say that's probably good.
Okay. I'm gonna...
Get a close up of this.
Jason, turn the camera to me. This is how I open frizzes. I'm so young, so it's still kind of hard for me. I'm only 10. I'm not that strong. I can take the camera now.
Okay.
God. Okay, now we, That was the 8! Okay, what else shall we add to the...
I wouldn't add anything else to it. You could have some chips on the side, but I wouldn't put anything else on it.
Nice, okay.
Do you want a knife to smooth out the ketchup or something?
Of course!
Do you want me to...
Move.
Okay.
This is a Krabby Patty, but with bad budget. You just use bread, cheese, and sometimes some other stuff. use this kind of cheese. I don't know what it's called, but this is good cheese. Or if your customer, or if whoever you're making the sandwich for doesn't like cheese or can't have cheese, it's too bad. Or add lettuce instead. That is a lot of ketchup.
Yeah. You can scrape it off if you need to and wipe it on a napkin or something if it's too much.
This doesn't need much ketchup. This side doesn't need much ketchup because this already has a lot. Anything else we need to do before we close this piece? That will be pretty much a lot of ketchup.
Are we going to film your reaction to eating your cheese and ketchup sandwich?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Why don't you put it together and hand the phone to me so I can film you trying your creation.
Okay. It is good, but I missed the ketchup.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Take a bite take another bite. Get that ketchup in you.
This is amazing.
Well, I'm glad you like it. Alright, should I end the video then?
No.
You want to end the video?
Yeah.
Let me go see what the dog is. Could be really impossible.
Okay. Anyways, guys, that is the first video of me making a sandwich. So I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you learn what to do. That is the dog barking, and this is a good sandwich. I would give that a 7 out of 10, just like how many minutes this video is. And we are done making the video. So, goodbye. Stop barking so much. I'm not gonna say the line I said in my last 2 videos, but we got a pal, and the person that helped me make the sandwich. It's like the name of my Mew. Well, what I wanted to name my Mew, so the Mew is now gonna be called Carl, and this is a Doge. It's Fred the Doge. Anyways, guys, gonna end the video now, and goodbye.